This week we're discussing an EU AI ban and an insider threat. Welcome to the Hut6 Infosec Roundup. Hello and welcome, this is the Hut6 Infosec Roundup, and first up today, Twitch data leak. The game streaming platform Twitch has fallen victim to a breach in which a reported 125 gigabytes of confidential data has been leaked. Shared via the image board 4chan, the leak contained not only a large amount of financial information related to its users, but also allegedly the source code from around 6,000 internal Git repositories. Along with the data, the anonymous user posted referring to Twitch as a, quote, disgusting toxic cesspool, and cited greater competition in the online video streaming space as the motivation for the leak. With Twitch confirming that no login credentials or credit card numbers were contained within the leak, the company noted, quote, we have learned that some data was exposed to the internet due to an error in a Twitch server configuration change that was subsequently accessed by a malicious third party, adding, our teams are working with urgency to investigate the incident. As the investigation is still ongoing, we are still in the process of understanding the impact in detail. School insider threat. A former IT technician for a Leicestershire school has admitted to causing serious disruption by breaking into the computer systems of former employers, deleting data and changing passwords. Adam Georgeson, 29, who had at the beginning of this year been fired from his role at Welland Park Academy and was subsequently employed at a Rutland IT firm, gained unauthorised access to the IT systems, reportedly out of boredom. Appearing in Leicester Crown Court this Monday, the insider threat admitted changing passwords and deleting data, resulting in school systems being no longer accessible and remote learning being negatively impacted. Detective Constable Anthony Jones has stated, quote, there was a great deal of resentment towards both his former employers, but that's no excuse for his actions, which caused significant problems for both and could have had more damaging consequences. Adding, I hope this case will serve as an example that Leicestershire Police takes all reports of cybercrime seriously and will fully investigate them in order to bring the perpetrators to justice. EU AI ban. The European Union Parliament has voted in favour of a resolution which effectively bans the use of artificial intelligence-powered biometric mass surveillance technologies. In a resolution adopted by 377 in favour, 248 against, and 62 abstaining, MEPs cited the risk of algorithmic bias, as well as asking for a permanent ban on the automated recognition of individuals in public spaces, noting that citizens should only be monitored when suspected of a crime. Peter Vetanov, the lead MEP on the issue, stated on the matter, quote, fundamental rights are unconditional. For the first time ever, we are calling for a memorandum on the deployment of facial recognition systems for law enforcement purposes, as the technology has proven to be ineffective and often leads to discriminatory results. Adding, we are clearly opposed to predictive policing based on the use of AI, as well as any other processing of biometric data that leads to mass surveillance. This is a huge win for all European citizens. That's all we have for this week. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. And as always, if you're interested in finding out more about information security training, please head over to the Hut6 website for your free demo.